So today we're doing a screen capture of how to create a GIF or GIF in Adobe Photoshop. It's pretty simple once you know how to do it. And first of all, we open Photoshop. Now, PHO typed, or from now on, if you actually just go pin to taskbar, it'll appear down the bottom here. You've got a little thing on your taskbar in case you didn't know. Now if I click on that, from now on I just click on that and Adobe Photoshop opens. First of all, File, we need to go to Scripts and load files into Stack. So that's the different command. File, Scripts, load files into Stack. To browse. Now I've set this up previously, so I have a folder and I have a bunch of photos of me over many years. So I click on the first one, hold down the Shift key, click on the last one, and they all highlight in light blue. Then I hit OK, and that will load them into the stack. And then I hit OK. And once I've done that, they'll load as layers. Over here I have my layer box, and they're all loading into there as individual layers. Bring up this window down here. Now if you don't have this, what you need to do is go into Window and Timeline. This is your timeline. So if you don't have it, your screen will look like this. But once you hit Window and Timeline, tick it will appear. So that's your timeline. Now there's two commands on this. One is either create video timeline or create frame animation. For a GIF, we want to create a frame animation. So we make sure that's ticked. And then we have to tap on that, actually tap on that area, and that will create a frame animation. So you'll see the first frame appear over here, from over here. Now, over here is this tiny little menu. Click on that, and this should be highlighted now with Make Frames from Layers. So it's going to make a bunch of frames from the layers here. Now that's not the order I want them in, so I have to, so I need to go back into my tiny little menu over here and reverse frames, and that will put them in the correct order. So when I hit the space bar, they'll play through, and I'll get older and then jump back to being younger again. So that works for me. Now all I need to do is save it. Everything should be fine as a standard thing. And I'm going to just hit save. And I'm going to call it me GIF1, and then it'll have .gif. And with default settings, hit save. And because it's not huge, it won't take forever to do, because they're quite small images. Now I'll go into that folder and into that folder, and where's my GIF? There's my GIF. So if I double click on that, there I have a very fast image of me aging gracefully.